No matter the size loader, we have the right size Grizzly designed to be a perfect match to maximize your results. This is our most popular model, a 3 4-yard 10 and 3. This high-performance beast is built to handle the toughest jobs, designed to fit perfectly with any 3 to 4-yard loader class. The steel tubes and walls of the Grizzly are filled with dynamic dampening material that absorbs the sound, resulting in a much quieter environment. Each Grizzly can be customized to process whatever size material you need with our quick-change, multi-sizing deck reducer. In the case of a stuck rock, this Grizzly proudly offers a self-cleaning feature that allows you to use the bumper plates to lift the deck reducer out of its nest, causing any obstruction to fall right into the box. Blueline Rock Grizzly, passion for performance that gives results you can trust.